Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, we shall see important multiple choice questions which can be asked from History Unit 9 Post Independent India. You have already watched the remaining lessons of history. If you want to see them again, links are given in the description. Let's begin. The old name of Bangladesh is West Pakistan, East Pakistan, West Bengal, North Pakistan. The old name of Bangladesh is East Pakistan. Option B is the correct answer. The princely states of North India who refused join Indian federal structure were Kashmir and Junagadh, Kashmir and Hyderabad, Hyderabad and Junagadh, Kashmir and Goa. The princely states of North India who refused to join Indian federal structure were Kashmir and Junagadh. Option A is the correct answer. The princely state of South India that refused to join Indian federal structure was Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh, Pondicherry. The princely state of South India that refused to join Indian federal structure was Hyderabad. Option B is the correct answer. Drain theory was discussed by Gopalakrishna Gokhale, W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Dadabhai Naoroji. Drain theory was discussed by Dadabhai Naoroji. Option D is the correct answer. The Constitutional Drafting Committee gave India a draft constitution under the chairmanship of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When India was celebrating its independence in New Delhi, Gandhiji was in Sabarmati, Dandi, Naukali, Kashmir. When India was celebrating its independence in New Delhi, Gandhiji was in Naukali. Option C. When India was celebrating its independence, Gandhiji was busy in the formation of new government, advising the political leader, the formation of new constitution, meeting the victims, consoling them. Correct answer is meeting the victims, consoling them. Option D is the correct answer. The incident that made Jawaharlal Nehru to think about forming a secular nation was the damage of the economic system, the integration of princely states, communal violence, refugee crisis. Correct answer is option C, communal violence. The leaders who opposed the idea of Pakistan were Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Khan Abdul Ghaffur Khan and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Ayub Khan, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad and Khan Abdul Ghaffur Khan. Correct answer is option D, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad and Khan Abdul Ghaffur Khan. The Bengal Vimochana movement was undertaken to liberate Nepal, Pakistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh. The Bengal Vimochana movement was undertaken to liberate Bangladesh. Option D is the correct answer. Most of the refugees from Bangladesh attempted to settle in Bengal because they liked West Bengal, they knew Bengali, Bengal was very close to Bangladesh, the state government of Bengal was very cooperative. Most of the refugees from Bangladesh attempted to settle in Bengal because they knew Bengali. Option B is the correct answer. When India got its independence, there was huge stress on the West Bengal because communal violence was more in Bengal. Bangladesh tried to capture Bengal. Bengal Vimochana movement was severe. Most of the refugees from Bangladesh settled in Bengal. When India got its independence, there was huge stress on the West Bengal because most of the refugees from Bangladesh settled in Bengal. Option D is the correct answer. The people of Tibet had arrived in our country as refugees during the time of Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri. During the reign of Jawaharlal Nehru, the people of Tibet had arrived in our country as refugees. Option A is the correct answer. The government of Karnataka sanctioned 3,000 acres of land to Tibetan refugees at Kaiga, Koppal, Bailukuppe, Bailuru. The government of Karnataka sanctioned 3,000 acres of land to Tibetan refugees at Bailukuppe. Option C is the correct answer. One of the major Tibetan settlement in India is Bhimkut, Balimela, Baira, Bailukuppe. The major Tibetan settlement in India is Bailukuppe. The British government's last Governor General was Lord Cornwallis, Lord Wellesley, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Dalhousie. Correct answer is option C, Lord Mountbatten. The Indian Constitution was adopted on January 26, 1951, January 26, 1950, January 25, 1952, August 15, 1947. Correct answer is option B, January 26, 1950. India's first president was Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, S. Radhakrishnan. India's first president was Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Option C is the correct answer. The words secular and socialist were added in the year 1975, 1976, 1978, 1974. Correct answer is option B, 1976. The words secular and socialist were added through 40th Amendment to the Constitution, 43rd Amendment to the Constitution, 42nd Amendment to the Constitution, 44th Amendment to the Constitution. Correct answer is option C, 42nd Amendment to the Constitution. The words added through 42nd Amendment to the Constitution were sovereign and socialist, democratic and republic, secular and democratic, secular and socialist. Correct answer is option D, secular and socialist. The number of princely states when British left India were 561, 562, 563, 564. Correct answer is option B, 562. During the integration of Indian princely states, strong opposition came from Junagadh, Goa and Hyderabad, Mahe, Jammu and Kashmir and Pondicherry, Junagadh, Jammu and Kashmir and Hyderabad, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir and Hyderabad. Correct answer is option C, Junagadh, Jammu and Kashmir and Hyderabad. The Iron Man of India is Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, S. Radhakrishnan. Correct answer is option B, Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India because he stopped communal violence, he solved the problem of refugee crisis, he became the first Home Minister of India, he integrated the princely states to Indian Federation. Correct answer is option D, he integrated the princely states to Indian Federation. The Nawab of this princely state had signed the agreement to join the state of Pakistan. Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh. The Nawab of Junagadh had signed the agreement to join the state of Pakistan. Option D is the correct answer. Junagadh joined Indian Federation in 1951, 1950, 1948, 1949. Option D is the correct answer, 1949. This princely state was ruled by Nizam. Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh. Hyderabad was ruled by Nizam. Option C is the correct answer. The Nizam of Hyderabad refused to join the independent India because he wanted to remain independent, he wanted to join Pakistan, he wanted to become Prime Minister, he wanted to get his kingdom back. The Nizam of Hyderabad wanted to remain independent, so he refused to join India. Option A is the correct answer. Razakars means cruel army of Nizam, cruel army of Junagadh, the minister of Nizam, the head of the provincial government. Correct answer is option A, cruel army of Nizam. When India got its independence, the king of Jammu and Kashmir was Ranjit Singh, Lal Singh, Hari Singh, Dulip Singh. Correct answer is option C, Hari Singh. The northeast part of the northeast part of Kashmir that was occupied by Pakistan is called Indian Kashmir, Kashmir of India, Kashmir occupied Pakistan, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Correct answer is option D, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. The accession of this princely state is different from all the other accessions. Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh. The accession of Jammu and Kashmir is different from all the other accessions. Option B is the correct answer. Pondicherry became a union territory in the year 1961, 1962, 1963, 1949. Pondicherry became a union territory in the year 1963. Option C is the correct answer. The Indian military entered Goa and took over its administration because Portuguese brought more weapons from other countries. Portuguese brought more army from Africa and France. Portuguese brought more army from America and Europe. Portuguese brought more army from Africa and Europe. Correct answer is option D. Portuguese brought more army from Africa and Europe. That's why the Indian military entered Goa and took over its administration. He died after 58 days of hunger strike demanding for Vishalandra. Samarasimha, Potti Sriramalu, Jaya Narayana, Ram Narayan. Correct answer is option B, Potti Sriramalu. Potti Sriramalu died after 58 days of hunger strike demanding for Vishalandra. Andhra Pradesh was formed in 1950, 1951, 1953, 1954. Correct answer is option C, 1953. States Reorganization Commission was formed in the year 1950, 1951, 1953, 1955. States Reorganization Commission was formed in the year 1953. Option C is the correct answer. Total states and union territories formed according to the report of States Reorganization Commission were 14 states and 7 union territories, 15 states and 7 union territories, 18 states and 6 union territories, 14 states and 6 union territories. Correct answer is option D, 14 states and 6 union territories. The president of Reorganization of State Commission was K. M. Panikkar, Fazl Ali, H. N. Kunjuru, Nanjundaswamy. Fazl Ali was the president of Reorganization of State Commission. Option B is the correct answer. Mysore state came into existence on October 14th, 1947, October 14th, 1948, October 14th, 1949, October 14th, 1951. Mysore state came into existence on October 14th, 1947. Vishala Mysore state came into existence in the year 1957, 1950, 1955, 1956. Correct answer is option D, 1956. Vishala Mysore state was renamed as Karnataka in 1970, 1971, 1973, 1972. Correct answer is option C, 1973. The main demand of Akhila Karnataka Rajya Nirmana Parishad was the rename of Vishala Mysore state, the formation of Karnataka, the integration of Kannada speaking places, the formation of Mysore state. The main demand of Akhila Karnataka Rajya Nirmana Parishad was the integration of Kannada speaking places. Option C is the correct answer. The Nawab of Junagadh refused to join India because he wanted to remain independent, he wanted to join Pakistan, he wanted to become Prime Minister, he wanted to get his kingdom back. The Nawab of Junagadh wanted to join Pakistan, so he refused to join India. Option B is the correct answer.